Today we saw the view of heaven and the hell as well. Hello, my name is Carl. I love DIY on cars. And I went to this beautiful place to shoot the opening for episode 1 of Heated Steering Wheel Retrofit. Elevation of over 3,200 meters. This is at Wu-Ling parking in the Taroko National Park. Wu-Ling is the paramount of the roadways in Taiwan. It is a challenge for drivers of all kinds of transportation. The landscape is spectacular because of its elevation and climate. However, the road is a bit narrow, so congestion is always expected during holidays. There are all kinds of transportation on one road, mostly on wheels and some on foot. Let's stay away from high season and heavy traffic, so we can enjoy driving in the beautiful mountains. Your car or scooter may refuse to give power as you are getting close to Wu-Ling. The air here is much thinner than at sea level. Expect hypoxia later when you go hiking, and also this. The low pressure and strong sunlight are going to steal your chips. On the way home, we spotted a layer of unusual smoke in the sky. It looked like something was burning. Then we joined the traffic jam on the road. Soon we found out that the road was closed because of a wildfire. Fortunately, there was a space in the parking lot for us. 这个是森林大火的灰，变成薄薄的一层云雾，上不去了。然后这边是很接近森林大火的地方，目前正在塞车，双向管制，车子不能下去。没有灰的这个天空就是蓝色的，非常的蓝。好多的灰哦。I was glad I had brought the camping chairs with us. After 2 hours of waiting, the road is finally open again. Everybody couldn't be more happy to go home. But I bet no one has ever seen this before.
就是这一段。
对啊。哇，那个塑胶 PVC 管都烧了。
小心！
哇，这一段真的很糟糕。
难怪刚刚不准。
对啊。好臭哦。这边刚刚都烧过哎。好。这是灰。
它那个柏油是软软。
太多了。地狱的景象。
哦，这边。
对啊。In Taiwan, we frequently hear reports about wildfires around the world. but it's very rare here. This one impressed me with its power and the anxiety and fear that spread among people. We were lucky to arrive at home safely. Best wishes to all the travelers. Drive safe.